Hey everyone, today we're on Carnival Encounter and we're about to do our room tour of cabin 5236. But for something different, I'm not going to do this one. Somebody else has asked if he can do the room tour today. So everyone, Noah, everyone.
Hello.
All right, this should be interesting. Hand it over.
Okay, so this is room 5236.
Okay, I'm interrupting already.
Oh, so we have our cards right here in the envelope. Mama can get her card.
Excellent, thank you.
So now that we're inside the cabin, let's start in the storage area over here. So there's a nice little storage area out here with coat hangers, but if you're on like a longer cruise, you can ask for more from your cabin people. And then you've got a laundry bag. If you don't like washing your stuff in like the shower or something, you want it properly washed. On this ship, they also have self-serve laundry, so you don't have to pay as much. There's life jackets up here. Make sure you have enough for everyone in your cabin in case Titanic 2 or something. Light switch here for the bathroom. Fine, watch your step. Just a little ledge. They've got a shower with a coat hanger, just a regular head. Conditioner, shampoo, body wash. I could never figure these out, how they work. But then they've got this curtain. Dad absolutely hates the curtains.
I do. But just on the test for a minute, one's temperature and one's pressure.
This one's temperature and this one's pressure.
Yeah.
And then they've got a bar here for old people like mum and dad. So if it's rocky, they can hold on. Just a toilet. Don't flush anything other than toilet paper down there. Just a regular sink, 2 glasses for maybe if you want to wash your mouth out. Maybe you don't want to put your mouth against there. Then there's a hand wash. Thing for your American thing for your shaver or
American
something you want to plug in, and towels on the back of the door. They've got handles to either hang your towels or toiletry bags. And then they've just got other places where they put your towels at the start. They've also got just a floor mat. Bath mat. So I actually love bath mats. Without them, I don't know what I would do. So moving on from the bathroom, they've got some space for clothing and whatever you want to put there. I think that's, I'm not sure what that is.
Extra blanket.
Extra blanket. And they've got a safe here. Out on the desk, they show you how to put your own pin in or on the side of it. But just make sure you don't forget to take the stuff out. So we have a mirror here so you can make sure your hair looks great. Light switches over here. I think they got light switches there and they got the back ones, or this one. So now moving to here, they've got a air conditioner. It's Australia. It's never going above this one. It's so hot here. And we've just got all our notices, like entertainment here. Here is the, like what's going on today.
The fun times.
Fun times.
Yep.
And then there's the good to know stuff. It's better to know on the cruise. That will make you have a more enjoyable time. They've got these things, so if you're sleeping, the people don't come in, or you want your room cleaned.
And so where do they go?
They go on the door handle outside, and just hopefully no one takes them. Then they've got just some of these cabinet storages.
Yep. And some open shelves on the end there too.
Yeah, open shelves. Then they've got a big mirror right here. I love mirrors because always got to be doing my hair. And then I've got a phone for ringing other rooms, guest services, room service, all that stuff. Or if you're in emergency, 911. They don't have 000 here. I don't know what's with Americans. And then they've got a hairdryer for Dad, because that's what Dad needs.
Huh. I don't think so. Mr. Beauty Boy.
Yes. Oh, I do. I'm a little. Okay. Then they've got Aussie sockets here, and they've got the American ones down below.
Yep.
A TV. On the first day, you got to watch the safety briefings, even though they broadcast it just earlier. They've got tissues, and then because we've got the red cards. These are free bottles of water, about 1.5 liters. But then they've got the paid ones over here. So if you break the seal, not even just taking a little sip, you will get charged $5.25. Comes with some glasses as well, if you don't just like drinking out the bottle. They've got these beds here, but we've had a little bit of a... What's the word?
Configuration challenge?
Yeah, that's 2 words.
Yeah.
There's a ladder here, but the way they've made it so Mum and Dad can't sleep together.
Yep.
So on the first night back, they'll have a good time. They've also got a bed on this side. They're also got a bed on this side, and then if you have maybe a 4th in your room, this will be down just exactly like this one, I guess. There'll be a little bit of a challenge with the ladders though. Maybe you have to share. Then they've got this just to put your suitcases on so you don't ruin the bed or the suitcase. We've got 3 different pillows. You always have to throw that one, never use it. They've got 2 bedside lamps, 2 lights. These lights control over there and right here.
So they're the master switches.
They're the master switches. And then there's a little light over there for me, like a reading light, I guess. And they've got more switches down beside that bed. There's more switches down there for whoever's sleeping there. No switches on this side, just right there.
Yeah, so just small master switches.
Some just cabinet storage. Put storage underneath the bed. They've got one, I think this is the, I'll just put that there. They've got, I think this is a fridge. Yeah, it's just a fridge. Put like soft drinks in there or something.
Is it very cool?
It's kind of cold. And then there's the other bed there. If you want to, if you don't want this side, you can do this side because Mum's terrified of me sleeping above her, dropping charges on her face. And that is room 5236. Please like and subscribe, and please watch these 2 videos up there. I have no idea what videos they are, but please watch them. Thank you. And that's room 5532. What's the room number?
5236.
And that's room 5326.
No.
52. That's the room.
Hello,
5236.
This is your cruise director, Leah, welcoming you aboard. Here at
That's room 5236.